Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a 3/4 Designs design team layout. We are playing with Snowflake season. I'm going to do this photo of Rob and Sam opening presents last Christmas. We have so many beautiful things. We've got some tuck and play cards we could use. You guys just in love with every portion of all of these layouts or collections. So we have some little fun elements to fussy cut. Look at that. Die cuts, you name it, we've got it here. All right, so let's see what we might want to use. So I'm just going to flip through real quick and see what we got. Okay, I like that one. And what if we mat with that one? Oh, I'm loving it. Okay, so let's do that. Let's pull this over here. And let's see what we can use to embellish because they're opening presents. Let's get some of these little presents out of here. Okay. Let's do the stockings because they're fun. I always associate stockings with present opening. What do we have over here? We have a little cluster already pre-made. Let's go ahead and grab the tree. And this little book looks like it's a present as well. All right. Oh, I love the little snowman. All right, so let's come in and we'll fussy cut out this present. Let's put that in our little to be fussy cut it. Oh man, I'm trying to not lose the little gingerbread guy in the process. And they just have the coolest packaging because it even has down here, you can see all the coordinating colors. So I'm gonna take some time to fussy cut all of this off screen. And I will have all the links down below to where you can pick up all of these fabulous items. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Remember this December that love weighs more than gold. So we didn't do like a very expensive Christmas. In 2023, we were really just trying to pay off all of our debt. Our kids are older. My son Sam is going to be 23 this year. So, you know, not like crazy. He understands. My husband's daughter is just graduated high school, so she gets it. No youngins to contend with. So we did a very easygoing Christmas, and you guys, we paid off our debt recently. So I'm super excited to announce that. I am just grabbing all of the presents. So I'm going to take some time and just fussy cut these little things all out. I'll do that off screen, of course, like I said, because you don't really want to be bored with watching me fussy cut all of this stuff out. And I'm going to dig into my stash a little bit and grab some fun 3D embellishments. And then I want to get the stocking so that we have 3 stockings. And what else? Excuse me. I don't know. So let me go ahead and pause it. I'll be right back after I get this all fussy cut. All right, if you hear a little bit of noise in the background, I'm cutting some cut files on my Cricut, so pay no mind. So what I've done is I've taken my X-Acto knife and just cut just a little bit right there so I could tuck that photo in. As you see, then I just seal it up with some random washi. I've gutted that piece as well, and then I do also seal that lip with washi. You guys, that is simply because I am horrible. My least favorite thing to do is to put these completed layouts into albums. So I leave them in the 12x12 iris containers. I have probably about 30 of them. When they get full, then I put them into albums. Yes, so it's like a one time a year project. So I've stuck that in there and I've matted it on that dark blue paper that came in that strip. I've popped this guy up that I fussy cut. All of this was fussy cut. As you can see, this is one of those 4x6 cards. I've popped that up on some foam. I had this Today epoxy title that was in my stash that matches this very well, so I put that in there because we're kind of tone-on-toning it. I've tucked up some of those other little presents under there. I've taken this piece, popped it up, and tucked some others behind it, just loosely tucking them. I'm really liking the way that this is looking. Do we want to go a little bit further out? Say I don't. I think maybe if we do anything, don't really. Let's go this way. And just kind of tuck them under that way. Let's put another brown on this side. Whoa. So we've got those like that. I'm going to stick another brown over here. And I'm just going to kind of just tuck him right there. And then I've brought in, like I said, I've got these cute little epoxy pieces. And then I've got these corduroy hearts that match the color, and then some gems. So we're going to go ahead and pop those on. Where do we want to put them? Let's see. So we're going to put that guy right over there where I had him to begin with. Get him set there. It'll also help hold that picture in place. This is art glitter glue, so I just it grabs hold and dries really quickly. We're going to tuck this guy right over here. Just give it a little hold. Then I've got 3 blue and 2 white. So we're going to go ahead and put one there. Let's put one down there for now. We'll see. We're going to tilt them just a smidge. Kind of like them on the wonk. And we'll go right there. And then for these half pearls, we just have this little jewel picker. Basically, what I do is we're just going to go ahead and put a few of them right around where we've got the little hearts. And then we'll see what that looks like. So put that size, and then we'll go with the smaller one. And the art glitter glue will dry clear, so we don't actually have to worry about all that's squishing out. Okay. And that one right there. And that's it. That's today's layout. That is how easy and simple that you can take these gorgeous collections and make them into a layout. They're pretty much already done for you. Most of the layering was done with the background paper. This piece is cut down to 11.5 by 11.5. That's what's giving us our big border over there. We've got some extras that we'll just keep for a rainy day and or also the next layout. So that's gonna do it. I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to head on down below, check out all the links for all the places that you can get a hold of the 3/4 Designs Snowflake season. It's so cute and perfect for July Christmas layouts, you know. So that's gonna do it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.